Hello. For our AMI work this week, we are going to do a math maze. So you were given a paper copy in class, but you will also have this digital version in Google Classroom if you're in Miss Voss's classes, or in Canvas if you're in Miss Wiles' classes. If you're in Miss Wiles' classes, you're going to need to make a copy of this document. So just go to File, make a copy, and copy the entire presentation. Click OK. When you are finished with the assignments, because it's not through Google Classroom, you're going to have to share it with me so that you can get credit for your work. So the way these mazes work is that you're going to start where it says start. Your goal is to travel from the start to the end by taking the correct pathway. Your quotients will guide you. Color your path from start to end. So on this first one here, we have 24,096 divided by 12. If you go to the second slide, there is a link to an online whiteboard where you can do your work, or you can do it on the back of the paper copy you were given in class. So if you were to divide 24,096 by 12, your answer would be 2008. If you right click and copy and paste the arrows, you can draw your path. So you'll do that all the way through the maze until you get to the end. When you're finished, you can submit it in Google Classroom for Miss Voss's classes, or share it with me if you are in Mrs. Wiles' classes. Good luck.